Start by rolling the ASIS away from the front of the femurs, allowing the sacrum to lengthen back and make contact with your carriage. Deepen the abdominals as you maintain the curve of your low back and spine, and keeping that curve, hinge at the hips to flex the torso forward, and then stack the spine back up as the arms return back in front of you. Exhale to roll the pelvis back into the posterior tilt. Inhale to stay in that position and deepen the abdominals. Exhale to flex the torso forward, maintaining the C curve of the spine. And inhale to stack vertebrae by vertebrae up to vertical. As you flex the pelvis back into your posterior tilt, try and maintain a nice deep connection of your abdominals, avoiding going back too far into thoracic flexion. Try and focus on the pelvis and the low back, creating the curve through the spine. As you go forward, try and avoid the shoulder blades over rounding and hyperflexing the thoracic spine.